What's up everyone, my name's Robert Angwin, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the basics of Photoshop. So let's jump in. Alright, so let's open Photoshop. First thing you're going to see is this screen. Create new. You want to pick your resolution here. If you're not sure about resolution or you want to learn more, you can click the video up here. I explain all the most common resolutions that you'll find. For this, we're going to be doing my thumbnail for this video. So it's 1280 by 720. This is usually 118. Don't have to worry about any of this. Click create. And now here you are on the main screen of Photoshop. Let's just walk through the basic things that are here. On the left side here, you've got all your tools. If you hover over a tool, you'll see here the keyboard shortcut. You just press that, get to know them. Things will be done a lot faster. The ones with the arrows here, you can right click and that'll give you more options for that tool. Once you've picked a tool, up the top here you'll have all your different options for that tool. Over on the right here you've got all your adjustments and effects. Down here you've got your layers, etc. Just going to import a photo by dragging and dropping. Here's one I prepared earlier. Just going to resize that, put it to where I want it. I'm going to throw in another one over the top here. Now just a basic resize, you want to go to edit, free transform, or you can press Ctrl T. Then you just click and drag. Just a tip, this top left corner here is going to be your first main focal point. If you want to know more about all that stuff, I'll link a video up here. If it's not there, I'm still working on it, but it's coming. It'll show you a lot of tips and tricks of how to grab your audience's attention. Anyway, one of the first and main problems that you'll come by is if you, say for instance, wanted to change the color of something. You'd highlight it, you grab your brush tool, and it won't let you do it. Just go over here to your layers, right click on the layer that you want to change, and click on rasterize layer. If it's not there, click convert to smart object, right click again, rasterize layer. Then you can change the color, easy. And just know that when you try and click off, it won't actually click off. Go back to your magic wand, back to the layer, and just click off in the space here. Let's get rid of that. I just want to increase the exposure of this photo just a little bit there. Now when you're done, file, export, export as. Here you select what format you want. I'm going for basic PNG. You can adjust all this, but you won't need to most of the time. Click export, call it what you want to call it, and click save. If you found this video helpful, you might find these ones helpful too. And don't forget, you can click here just in case you want to subscribe.